Hi everyone. So if you followed our channel, you know I'm a big proponent of doing our own cargo trailer conversion as a way to minimize the cost of exploring, traveling, and camping without the investment of an RV. We all know the value of an RV, just like cars and trucks, drops dramatically the second you drive it off the lot. And just to be clear, I'm doing this cargo trailer conversion comparison to the Taxa Outdoors Tigermoth RV from the standpoint of the size of the trailer of the RV, how it's going to be to tow from a vehicle because they're going to be very similar, and what you can do inside and what's available to you as a whole. I'm not really looking to say that this cargo trailer is the same as a 22-foot RV. I'm not saying that at all. I'm simply doing it so you can see what the cost is involved in both, so you can make a better comparison whenever you're looking to do a cargo trailer conversion for yourself. That being said, I wanted to compare our cargo trailer conversion to the Taxa Outdoors Tigermoth RV. I recently saw one at the Louisiana Boat and RV show in Opelousas, Louisiana, and I have to say, I was intrigued. The Tigermoth has a standard and overland version, but I'm going to focus on the standard one and the information I have on their website. So to start off, we purchased our 6x10 cargo trailer about 3.5 years ago for $2,800. We've made several adjustments to the inside since our initial design, but at this point we spent just under $6,000 to get it to the setup that we enjoy today. On the Taxa Outdoors Tigermoth RV, you're looking at a base price of $19,650. Now the standard model has a length of 12 foot 10 inches, a dry weight of 1,300 pounds, and the exterior walls are made of a composite material. The stabilizer jacks are standard, as well as 4 acrylic windows, a 200-pound cargo deck, 12-volt roof fan, and a 6-foot awning. It includes the back and side swing-up doors, a slide-out rear kitchen with a stove, and a full-size bed and couch. Our cargo trailer is a Homesteader brand 610 CS, and it's about 14 feet in length, has a base weight of about 1,100 pounds, and the exterior is covered with thin aluminum and with the interior plywood wall standard. There were no windows, but it did have barn doors on the back and a single door on the side. It did have a 12-volt light in the cargo area that was standard, but we removed it when we took off the interior walls to add the insulation. Here are a few things we did to make the cargo livable for us. We installed a full-size 48 by 69 inch bed. We had to cut it down a little bit to make sure it fit, but it's perfect for us. We installed a large chest of drawers under the bed to allow for ample storage space, and we used the area behind it for our kitchen at the back of the cargo trailer. We also installed a 32-inch by 32-inch shower that doubles as a closet and storage space when it's not in use. This allows for privacy, especially for Cupcake when she does agency work as a nurse when we're on the road. The Tigermoth doesn't have a shower option. We installed a small window in the trailer wall to allow for airflow and as a potential emergency exit. Now keep in mind, the Tigermoth has a 12-volt roof fan, connections for solar, and an optional air conditioner. We have solar panels for our power station and a portable air conditioner, but with that you'll need power, either with vehicle power, a solar panel, power station like a Jackery or a Blue Eddy, or a generator, with the Tigermoth or with our cargo trailer conversion. We invested in a Jackery 1000 just over 3 years ago, and it powered just about everything we needed on a daily basis until it died on us a few months ago. Since then, we've invested in Blue Eddy, and it's working out great for us, and our generator does an amazing job powering our portable air conditioner when needed. So the length of the RV in our trailer is similar, as well as the exterior height and width. But here's the difference. The interior height of the Tigermoth is 3 foot 9 inches to 4 foot 7 inches, while the interior height of our cargo trailer is 6 foot 2 at the middle to about 5 foot 8 here on the sides. That makes a big difference in being able to stand up and move around comfortably. Also, the interior width per their website is 4 foot 7 inches and the interior length is 6 foot 7. Our cargo trailer is about 5 foot 11 inches wide on the inside and about 9 foot in length. If you use the space efficiently, you'll be amazed by the comfort you can bring to your tiny home. Now keep in mind, Cupcake and I are obviously older, so we're probably not going to be pulling our trailer 50 miles down a dirt road to reach a site where we can climb a 20-mile remote mountain trail to a 14,000 foot peak. But we've traveled all over the western U.S., camping mainly in free dispersed camping areas, then driving our truck to the places we want to see and the trails we want to hike while our cargo trailer is locked up, safe, and monitored back at our campsite. The Tigermoth also features a 6-foot awning, something that we don't have, but I've ordered and I'm waiting on it right now. It also includes a camp stove with a rear exterior slide-out kitchen. You can add an air conditioner when purchasing the RV, but you'll have to add about $800 to the basic cost. Additionally, a roof tent can be added, but that's going to be extra too. Now, here are a few things we added to our cargo trailer build that aren't included in our build price, but either with the Tigermoth or with ours, it's something you're going to have as far as power. So you're probably going to need the power station like a Jackery or a Blue Eddy. We have 1,000 watt and it was about $900. You're probably going to need a generator for the AC because I don't know that a power station is going to pull that. But you're probably going to spend about $600 to get about a 3,000 watt one. So you're probably going to want some solar panels. If you want to put some on top, that's up to you. But we have a portable one that we got with our Jackery that now we're using with the Blue Eddy, and it works great. It's 100 watts. You're probably also going to want a refrigerator. We use a 12-volt Massimo cooler that's powered by the power station. It really doesn't pull much of anything, but it keeps our food cold and dry. And we use that instead of an ice cooler so we don't have to replace ice. So if you want to secure the cargo trailer or the RV, you're going to want to purchase like tongue jack locks, wheel locks, stuff like that. So again, I'm not including that in the cost of the actual construction of the cargo trailer build because you got to do it for both. So just to be clear, I really do like the Taxa Outdoors Tigermoth RV. It's compact, beefy, and it screams adventure. The way we look at our time on the road would be perfect with the Tigermoth since we see ourselves living out of the cargo trailer and in nature. But to me, the Tigermoth would be fairly claustrophobic if you plan to spend a lot of time in it. But again, that's just me. The Tigermoth by Taxa Outdoors is professionally constructed, easy to pull by a variety of vehicles, and it's a great value if you're looking for a small RV that's ready to hit the road today. Our cargo trailer was professionally constructed as well, and then I put in about 100 hours building out the inside how we wanted it. It's easy to pull by a variety of vehicles too, but if you're starting with an empty cargo trailer, you should plan for a couple of months to patiently spend the time working on your project. In comparing the Tigermoth to our 6x10 cargo trailer, looking at the Tigermoth, it's ready to go once you get it. You could take it that day and go camping without issue. It's got a lot of accessories available. It's compact and it's easy to pull. It's rugged and it's off-road ready. You can take it wherever you want to go. However, with the standard Tigermoth with an air conditioner, you're still looking at just over $20,000 as the base model. Okay, so then whenever you compare that to our 6x10 cargo trailer, the price for that one, like I said, initially was $2,800 just for the trailer, but then you're going to put a lot of stuff into it. But based on where we are with our cargo trailer now, we're still under $6,000. So it's a very affordable option if you don't want to get into a potentially more expensive RV. With a cargo trailer, you can build it to suit your needs, and it has the potential to feel much more like a home than just a small camping trailer. With ours, we have a full-size bed here. It's our home at the end of the day, as opposed to just a little space where we try to get some rest. It's actually a home. The cargo trailer is also very easy to pull. We pulled it with a Tundra, which can pull anything, but we have changed to a Tacoma, and it's zero issues. So the cargo trailer is a lot more rugged than you might expect. We have taken it all over the western U.S., out in the deserts, up hills, up mountains, to campsites, and we've had very few issues with that. And like I was saying, if you're looking strictly at a cost standpoint, you can spend $20,000 to get the Tigermoth, and it's ready to go from day one. And if you want to do that, it looks like it's going to be a great RV for you. But if you're looking at it from a cost standpoint, $6,000 over here for a trailer that you have to put a little bit of time in to build it exactly how you want it, but you're under $6,000. And that's about 30% of the cost you would spend on a Tigermoth. For us, it's all about having comfort while traveling and keeping costs down to maximize the time we have available to find adventure on the road. After 3 years, we've experienced so much in our cargo trailer conversion and can't wait for what lies ahead. So if you have any questions about the Tigermoth, visit the Taxa Outdoors website, and I'll put that right here. Make sure to visit us at cupcakeandcornbread.com for more fun and adventure, and sign up there for our next giveaway. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on our next adventure.